Hey, we're challenging him. He walked up to us. He's got the gun in his hand. He just dropped it. Hey, stop right there. Stop right there. Do not go towards the gun. Do not go towards the gun. Go ahead, Carlos.
Again, that's Officer Lewis's body-worn camera.
Do not go near the gun. Relax, relax. Hey, come to our patrol car. We're trying to give him some verbal commands. Relax, relax. Please don't do this.
Get on your knees. Get on your knees and talk about this. Sir.
Hey, please, do not do that, please.
Don't do that, sir.
This way, please. Hey, we'll talk to you, we'll help you out, but don't go near the gun, please. Just walk over there, and then we'll settle it, we'll figure it out, all right? We'll go help your mom, we'll do whatever we need to do. But please,
You can see the
I'm
firearm
asking
on the
you,
ground
please,
right here.
just step to the left towards that light pole right there. Please, we'll give you whatever help you need, but please step away from the gun. I'm asking you to do that, please. Please. Hey, man, we can talk about it all day. All right? We're not here to harm you in any kind of way. But please do not pick up the gun. Step away from it. That's all we're asking. And we can talk to you and go help out your mom. All right? That's all we want. We want to end this peacefully. All right? So please, I'm asking you, please do that. Just step towards the pole. Please, don't look at that. Just look at me. Just look at me. Just look at me. We're talking. All right. Thank you. All right. What's your name? Just tell me your name, please. All right. We want to give you the help. We want to give you as much help as we can. Please, God.
What's that? It's okay. We're just here to help.
Please. Step towards the king.
Benny!
Stop firing.
Get away from the gun! Get away from the gun!